Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do Aldi Easy Keto Snacks for back to school. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do Aldi Easy Keto Snacks for back to school and maybe some easy keto meals woven in. But first, before we go into our Aldi shopping haul, make sure you smash that like button so other people can see this video. Click subscribe to see all things ketogenic diet, all things intermittent fasting, weight loss, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email where I send you my keto diet meal plan tips and intermittent fasting schedule. Your question of the day is, what is your favorite Aldi product? Put in the comments below. I'm dying to know, what is your favorite thing to get from Aldi, from your Aldi shopping hauls? Now let's dive into our content. Okay. It's back to school time, right? For some of you. In Virginia, we don't start back until September, so we got a few more weeks. But I wanted to do an easy keto snack video, easy keto meals videos for people who want easy. Anyone else out there like me, like that? I like easy. I like lazy keto. I like easy keto with intermittent fasting. And so here's some of the things that I found on my Aldi shopping trip. Let me show you. What are these? Who's on there? Juke Kaboom. That's exciting. Wasn't that a great haul? Super fast. Don't you love filming with a 4-year-old? That's what happens when you have to go really fast with a 4-year-old. So let me show you all of my Aldi shopping haul goodies, everything that I got for my easy keto meals and for my back to school snacks. Number one, oh snap. Oh snap. I was about ready to pee my pants when I saw this delicious oh snap pickles. I haven't even opened it because I was saving it for the video, which can you imagine how hard that was? These delicious little bites, here you go. I've always said make your own, like get your own pickles, put them in your own little glass containers and take them to work and use them as reusable containers to save money and to help the environment. But y'all, I couldn't pass these up. These will be great for an easy grabby keto snack. You can do lazy keto, easy keto. These will fit in lunches, things like that. I do have to get 2 disclaimers. One, do the best that you can afford. No judgment, guilt, shame, or condemnation. And 2, obviously, organic is best. Obviously. And grass-fed is best. But also, do the best you can afford with those 2 as well. So these may not be organic, but sometimes this is royal weight loss meets real life. And that's what I'm grabbing. They did have the spicy version too, so you can get this whole box. I'm excited. It was a seasonal item and is not going to be like a standard when you go in your Aldi in December and find it. Oh, I thought there was a spider. I almost just screamed really loudly. It's not a spider. Was a low carb food, not a keto food. So I know people are gonna be like, oh gosh, Elizabeth, but I had to try these because y'all told me to. It's the Too Good, TWO, I love a good double entendre. It's 2 net carbs. Is it 2 net carbs or 2 carbs? It's 2 net carbs. No, it's 3 carbs. It's 2 grams of sugar. That's where I messed up. I didn't read my labels. I just grabbed when I was in the store like a mad woman. This is a good lesson for your keto shopping haul. It's 3 carbs, 2 grams of sugar. The ingredients make this a low carb food, not a ketogenic diet food, but I'm very excited to try it. I got this flavor and they had a vanilla. I really wanted yogurt, y'all. On the keto diet, one of my keto foods is obviously the keto weight loss is all about our insulin management, right? Like here's my keto before and after picture. And from that, you can't spike your insulin. If you do, in my experience, I don't lose weight. So if I'm having keto snacks, that was my other disclaimer, I'm having keto snacks, I'm chronically spiking my weight loss, and it stalled me. I didn't lose. When I knocked out the keto snacks, I lost more weight. When I went to having meals, more keto meals, easy keto meals, 1 a day for OMAD, 1 meal a day, or keto, 2 meals, and knocked out breakfast, I have way lost more weight because it wasn't the insulin. So these I will have in my eating window with intermittent fasting at the time. The next thing that I got for an easy keto meal, we've had a great debate about this. Y'all, we've had great debate about this, is the pure Irish butter. It was the Kerrygold butter, right? We were missing, we're all like, why did our Kerrygold get pulled from the shelves? It was the cheapest place I could find in Virginia to get Kerrygold butter, which is grass-fed butter, which is great because of inflammatory properties with the ketogenic diet. So they made their own, Aldi, you be smart, Aldi, is they made their own Irish butter. It is literally grass-fed from Ireland. I was reading the packaging. Product of Ireland. It's sold exclusively at Aldi. So the ingredients are good. They're clean. It's a good one. It's good. So I ended up getting 3 bars because I normally I have like 10, but I had bought in so many at Costco. So now that I know that this is a cheaper source and it's a good source for the grass-fed butter, I will be getting more from Aldi moving forward. The next thing for my keto snacks and my easy keto meals that I got and was so excited about, this was also a seasonal item, was avocado chunks. You can say it too. Put it in the comments. It's these. I got 2 bags of them because I was that dang excited. They are always ripe, always ready. We're gonna make these tonight. It says individually quick frozen, and I don't know. I don't even know how you eat these guys. Maybe you know. I don't know. It says keep frozen until ready to use. Do not refreeze. Thaw to desired room temperature for 60 minutes. They can be thawed in the microwave. I would not do that. But you could. You feasibly could. It talks about making your own guacamole out of these. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. This was a pump you up. So this is a great keto snack. I can use these on top of my keto tacos for an easy keto meal. I'll link that down below. Or my cheese crisps. Make this like a guacamole with my cheese crisps. You could put it on top of your steaks. You could put it on top of a lot of different things to get your high fat in, right? Like, because keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. Get these. I'm going to get a bunch more because they're seasonal. They will sell out, right? So I like to stock up on little gems I found. The next thing I got, I didn't show because, again, I was shopping with my 4-year-old, which is always fabulous and fun. My favorite job is being a mom and a wife. So I didn't get to film it, but I got some organic cauliflower. We ate some. It was good. And we ate it with our ranch dressing, which was good. This is the low carb food, not a keto food. One of the keto foods is because it has soybean oil, vegetable oil, which is a creepy carb is what I used to call it. It doesn't have, the carbs is 2 carbs, but it's inflammatory. So this is an inflammatory property. Make sure my vernacular is correct for the keto police out there. Hopefully they'll think that that's correct, is that it's inflammatory property. I like having, and my little boy likes having cauliflower with dipping. It's awesome. And it's a good little low carb snack, keto snack too. The next thing that we got, and again, this was a quick haul, like a quick Aldi shopping haul. I wanted to be like focusing on my back to school tasks at hand for things, thinking of you guys, of what would be helpful for back to school. And the next thing I came up with is, y'all, I love pumpkin seeds. We had great debate last year and the year prior to that about pumpkin seeds. How do you eat your pumpkin seeds? That's also my other question of the day, in addition to your favorite keto product. Put in the comments below and click like and subscribe. But these guys, 1/4 a cup is only 2 net carbs or 4 carbs. Love. Parcel them out. Get your kids to parcel them out. Get your hot husband to parcel them out. Get your hot wife to parcel them out. However you parcel them out. Don't eat them straight out of the bag, because if you're like me, you'll just keep eating and eating and eating and eating. These are great. You can have these at the movie theater if you don't want popcorn. They're a good little snack. But here's where the great debate comes in, is that my husband thinks that these are the way that they should be. See, they're already shelled. I like the ones with the shells on them. So you can eat them with the shells on straight, but here's this other version with no shells. Either way is delicious. Trader Joe's has a great shell on pumpkin seed. You can also get nuts and things like that, but this isn't more of an inexpensive keto on a budget type item. Y'all, I'm trying an easy keto here. This is an easy keto snack. You can thank me later when you're like, oh, Elizabeth, gosh, that was really smart. I was driving home from work and I got ravenous and I had my pumpkin seeds in my car console from my emergency keto food. Thank you, Elizabeth. And I'll say, I know, because I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt. These are great to have, particularly if you have kids at the pool. If you want something quick for like a pool snack, these things are good. And little kids, I found my 4-year-old can eat these without choking. You know what I mean? Like with peanuts or allergies and stuff like that. These are a great thing he can take to school without having to worry about nut allergies. To my knowledge, correct me if I'm wrong, in a loving way, correct me. Don't meanly correct me, but correct me if I'm wrong if schools don't allow this or do. I'm pretty sure they do. Peanuts they don't, of course, because peanut allergies, but that's my item. So this was my awesome Aldi keto haul for back to school items, for your quick keto snacks and easy keto meals. The butter could be a snack because you could put it in your coffee, which I frequently do before fast. I like having a high fat, moderate protein, low carb diet before doing intermittent fasting. But also with that, I cook a lot with my meats. Like my steak, we have steak at least 1 to 2 to 3 times a week. I will put the grass-fed butter on top. Sometimes I have carnivore keto where I just eat the meat only and nothing else. But now that I have these delicious gems, I'm gonna start having some avocado with it. So these avocados were 5 pieces are 1 net carb or 4 carbs, depending on how you count, and 7 grams of fat. So there you go. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm hungry now. I actually want some of these pickles too. Oh snap, oh snap. Snap your way down and click the like button, click subscribe, sign up for my free weekly keto diet meal plan, all things ketogenic diet, weight loss, and intermittent fasting. And put in the comments below your question is, what is your favorite Aldi product and your favorite Aldi back to school product too? I gotta know your Aldi keto stuff. Let's see you again next time, guys. And check out my